Apple iPad Air 11 2025, also called the Apple iPad 11-inch M3, is a high-performance tablet designed for both everyday use and professional tasks. It comes into two main versions, one with the Wi-Fi cellular and GPS and another with the Wi-Fi only without GPS. The cellular model are available as A3267 for global and the second 3270 for global in China. This iPad is packed with the advanced feature, making it a top choice for everyone looking for a powerful and versatile device. The iPad Air 11 supports GSM, HSP, LTE and 5G network. This means you can use it on almost any mobile network around the world with the super fastest Ethernet speed on 5G. It supports Wi-Fi 802.11, which means it can connect to the latest Wi-Fi standard for fast and reliable internet. It has Bluetooth 5.3, which allow you to connect wireless devices like a handphone, keyboard and more with the better speed and range. The cellular model include GPS and GLONASS for accurate location tracking, which is great for map and navigation app. It has a USB Type-C 3.1 Generation 2 port with the display port support, so you can connect it to external display and transfer data quickly. It also has a magnetic connector for accessory like the Apple Pencil. Launch and availability. Apple announced the iPad Air 11-inch on 4th March 2025. It became available for purchase on 12 March 2025. Design and build. The tablet measures 247.6 by 178.5 by 6.1 mm, making it slim and easy to carry around. It weighs 460 grams, which is lightweight for its size. The iPad Air 11 has a glass front and an aluminum back and frame, giving it a premium and durable feel. The cellular model uses an eSIM, so there is no physical SIM card slot. This makes it easier to switch between carriers. It supports the Apple Pencil, making it perfect for drawing, note-taking, and creative work. Display. The iPad Air 11 features a liquid retina IPS LCD display, which offers a vibrant color and sharp detail. The screen is 11-inch with the screen area of 357 cm, and the display covers about 80.9% of the front of the device, giving the more screen space to work with. The resolution is 1640 by 2360 pixels, with a pixel density of 264 ppi, ensuring crisp and clear visual. The display has a physical brightness of 500 nits, making it easy to use even in the brightness environment like outdoor. The screen is protected by scratch-resistant glass with an alloy coating which helps resist fingerprint and smoke. Performance. It runs on iPad OS 18.3.2, the latest version of Apple tablet operating system at the time of release. This means you get access to the newest feature and a security update. The iPad Air 11 is powered by the Apple M3 chipset, which delivers exceptional performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. It has an octa-core processor with the 4-core performance and 4 efficiency core. This ensures smooth performance and demanding tasks while conversing battery life for lighter tasks. The Apple GPU 9-core graphics handle graphics intensive tasks like gaming and video editing with ease. It comes with the 8GB of RAM and multiple storage options: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. There is no card slot for expandable storage, so you will need to choose the storage size and fit your need. Camera. The rear camera is a 12 megapixel sensor with the f/1.8 aperture. It features dual pixel PDAF for faster autofocus and support HDR for better photo and challenging lighting conditions. It can record video on 4K and 24, 25, 30 and 60 fps and 1080p at 25, 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. The camera also has a Grio EIS for stable video recording, so your video looks smooth even if your hands are shaky. For the front-facing camera is also 12 megapixel with an f/2.0 aperture and at 122 ultra-wide lens, perfect for group selfie and video call. It supports HDR and can record 1080p video at 25, 30 and 60 fps with the Grio EIS for smooth footage. Sound. The iPad Air 11 has a stereo speaker for an immersive audio experience, whether you are watching a movie, playing game, and listening to music. There is no headphone jack, so you will need to use wireless headphone or the USB Type-C adapter. Sensor. The tablet includes a fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, and barometer. The sensor enhances to device functionality for app, gaming, and navigation. Battery. The iPad Air 11 is powered by the 7606 mAh battery, which provide long-lasting usage on a single charge. This means you can use it for hours without needing to recharge. Color and models. The iPad Air comes four stylish colors: space gray, starlight, purple, and blue. The available models are A3267 and 3270 for cellular version. Price. The iPad Air 11 is priced at around $764.57 making it a premium yet affordable option in the tablet market. The Apple iPad Air 11 2025 is a future-packed tablet that combines a sleek design, powered performance, and advanced technology. Whether you are using it for work, environment, or creativity, this iPad delivers an exceptional experience. With its stunning display, fast processor, and versatile camera, it is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality tablet, whether you are a student, professional, or casual user. The iPad Air 11 has something to offer for everyone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.